Hello. As a doctor, I see patients every now and then who speak languages other than my own. There are many occasions in our daily life where a language barrier can pose a great challenge in communication. For example, while traveling to a foreign country with a different language, simple communication such as asking for directions or hiring a taxi could become quite a difficulty. Students learning a new language often need to translate from their own language to another as part of their study. In situations of such kind, a powerful tool, Google Translate, can come in handy. Google Translate is a free service from Google that allows translation from one language to another. It can be accessed through any internet browser or its Android and iOS apps. To access it in a browser, simply type translate.google.com into the address bar of your browser. Let's try to translate a few English sentences to some other languages as examples. As mentioned previously, we need to type translate.google.com into a browser to access the service. The page is loaded now. As you can see, there are two boxes, one on the left side and the other on the right side. You may enter any text into the left side box either by typing or by dictating. You can also upload entire documents by clicking here. Text entered on the left side automatically gets translated to the chosen language on the right side and is displayed in the text box on the right side. Let's choose a new language from the drop-down menu. Let's choose, let's say, Persian. Where is Persian? Here. Now let's type something into the text box and see. As you can see, I just typed something into the left text box, and if you notice on the right side, it's been translated automatically. Let me read. شیخ سادی یک شب از خواب بیدار شد تا همراه پدرش عبادت کنند. افراد دیگر خانه در خواب بودند و پدرش گفت ما بهتر هستیم. اونها احمق هستند. پدرش گفت پسر غرور خوب نیست. Next, let's try to translate something into Urdu language. First, we'll select it from the drop-down menu and then type something. Our text has been translated. Let me read it. उसे आमों से प्यार था यहाँ तक कि उसने उनकी तारीफ में नज़में भी लिखी. वो उर्दू के एक अजीम शायर थे. वो पूछते हैं कि गालिब कौन है. किसी ने जवाब दिया कि मैं क्या कह सकता हूँ. The last two sentences were actually a literal translation of Ghalib's couplet that goes something like this. पूछते हैं वो कि गालिब कौन है. कोई बतला दो कि हम बतलाएं क्या. If you notice, the translation is not always as accurate as we may wish it to be. Anyways, let's now finally try something in my native Pashto. پختون عزت تر هر څه لوړ ساتي. د عزت لپاره هغه ژوند کوي او د عزت لپاره هغه زر قبر ته راځي. It's a fairly good translation of what I wrote. Before we finish, let me just add that you can listen to your text or its translation by clicking the speaker button here. This option may not be available for all languages though. You may copy your translation by clicking this guy. I hope you have found this useful. Thanks.